First Alert Weather is brought to you by the Medical Center.
Well, you can feel the humidity. It's with us. We haven't had a whole lot of that, but when we do have it, we usually get a lot of rain and we get these pop-up showers like we had yesterday morning. And eventually, you know, this is the kind of weather that we try to have maybe a month or so ago. It's running a little bit late, severe weather. That's a possibility, as you'll see coming up. But in the meantime, things are quiet on First Alert Live Doppler radar this morning. No weather worries here today, except for the heat and humidity. We may get 90 degrees today, and you throw in the humidity, it's going to make that feel even warmer. We're at 63 degrees right now. I do want to show you the severe weather risk for today. It is further west of us. In fact, lining up with the Wabash and the Ohio rivers back to the west. Parts of central southern Illinois, much of Missouri, down into Arkansas for today. But then tomorrow, for tomorrow afternoon and into Wednesday, that area slides a little further east and lines up with I-65, and all points back to the west will be under that slight risk for severe storms starting tomorrow afternoon, but going through tomorrow night and even into early Wednesday. So a heads up here that we could be looking at a severe weather risk or threat here. The main threats would be damaging winds, large hail, and even the possibility of a few isolated tornadoes in and around the Bowling Green area and back to the west. So we'll keep an eye on this and prepare for the possibilities and the what ifs and the wherefores that could be around us here in the next 24 hours. Well, let's show you what's going on right now as far as temperatures across the Mesonet network. We have upper 50s, low 60s out toward the Lake Cumberland area, while we're in the mid and upper 60s, close to 70 degrees now up in Calhoun at 69 there. Lake Cumberland today, you're going to see temperatures actually in the upper 80s, close to 90 degrees. These are not correct here, but we'll fix those. Those are actually close to low temperatures that you'll see. But Russell Springs, Burkesville, Albany, all in the upper 80s today. Powerball jackpot at $40 million. 40 million. Mere chunk change compared to what was won Saturday night, and $12 million for the Mega Millions. We have pollen counts moderately high today. That's mostly now grass pollen instead of tree pollen, so they've kind of switched up here. Ozone moderate, molds are low, UV index in the red zone with all the sunshine that we'll have today with a few high clouds at times. 63 degrees currently, southeast wind at 6 miles an hour. In Glasgow, 63 degrees and mainly clear there at our AAA Systems WeatherCam site at the Job Publishing Building. There's Greenville in 66 degrees currently. Russellville, maybe a little haze and fog in the distance there. Temperature at 65, and Jamestown Marina starting at 61 at this hour. It's 63 at the Bowling Green Airport, and that is pacing 5 degrees cooler than yesterday, but everybody pacing about where they were at this hour yesterday. Thanks to high pressure being in control of the weather, things are quiet, but here you see some thunderstorms already getting going into parts of Missouri and Illinois. This is all ahead of that slow-moving front that is going to be the focal point for more showers and thunderstorms over the next couple of days. We're going to be fairly quiet today, some scattered showers out west of us, but there could be a pop-up shower, isolated shower in the heat of the afternoon. I think our best chance will come tomorrow, and tomorrow afternoon just ahead of that front. Plenty of juicy air and the possibility of maybe some strong thunderstorms moving into the region. Mostly sunny today, warm and humid, 89, possibly 90 before the day is over. 68 tonight, partly cloudy and a humid evening. Tomorrow we'll make it back to 88. With a chance of showers and thunderstorms by afternoon. Around 80 Wednesday with the best chance of possibly strong thunderstorms moving through. And then as we get into Thursday, showers will be leaving us, and temperatures actually for Friday and Saturday cooling into the mid-70s, which is a nice change for us. Temperatures have been running a bit above average, so we'll kind of reset and get it back to where it should be for this time of the year.
Well, we were saying whether we're complaining it's too cold or it's going to be too hot or it's too rainy, it's going to be too humid here in a moment. I can feel it coming.
It's already there.
Yeah.